In this video, we'll demonstrate how to register a domain name at Bluehost. Want to create your website? It all starts with a domain name. But what is a domain name? A domain name, or simply domain, is the address people use to find your website. Choose one that truly reflects your identity and stands out. It's an exciting step towards building your online journey. At Bluehost, we provide a user-friendly platform to help you register your domain name, so you can start building your online presence. So, let's get started! In your browser, navigate to our Bluehost website. Click on the For Business tab in the top menu and select Domain Name Search. Enter your domain name, then hit Enter. The system will verify the domain's availability. If it is available, click on Continue. Domain privacy and protection is automatically included to ensure your domain's security. If the domain you want is no longer available, you can place a back order so we can help you get it. You can also select a different domain. Bluehost will provide a list of alternative domain options for you to choose from. To proceed with domain registration, create an account using your email address and password, or link it directly to your Google, Apple, or GitHub account. You can also add a hosting plan or an email service, such as Google Workspace, as add-ons. Enter your payment details in the Billing Information section and select your payment method. You can select to pay using your card, Google Pay, or PayPal. Choose your preferred billing term from the drop-down menu. Review the items in your cart, then click the Submit Payment button to complete your payment. After your payment has been processed, you will receive an order confirmation email from Bluehost containing details about your domain purchase. You can manage your new domain by logging in on our website or by going directly to your Bluehost account using this link. And that's it! Your online journey starts with a domain. Secure yours today with Bluehost.